Hello, Jim TechBuzz, new product in from EMEET, and it's their EMEET Meeting Capsule. So this has got an all-in-one powered by AI one-stop solution for hybrid meetings. So it's a pretty tall product you can see there. Red Dot winner 2022. You've got multiple modes. So you've got in private mode, spotlight mode, classic mode, speech mode, and collab mode. And then you have got your 360-degree panoramic camera, 8 mics, and a hi-fi speaker. And auto face tracking and smart noise cancellation with 5 different modes, as mentioned earlier on. So it's a pretty high spec product and ideal for those who are into meetings, be it at home or in their office. This will cover kind of all those areas there, because you've got smart coverage as well, which is 18 to 36 feet if you've daisy changed with the speakerphone that they have as well, which is called the M3. So that's pretty much what this is here. So this is just the presentation here in the box, and as you can see, it's pretty large and ideal for hybrid collaborations and so on, with optimized audio and video. And you've got your intelligent AI algorithm for natural communication as well, and 5 video modes as mentioned as well, which we have spoke about already. You've got a 1080p camera, and that's pretty decent too, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to have a look. So you've got your speaker as well, 10 watt 90 decibel speaker with hi-fi grade sound too, which is good. So good sound is expected to come from it, which will give you a clearer meetings over the product itself, with exclusive voice AI DSP intelligent algorithms, which are 8 mics will build in the noise cancellation as well, and the full human voice will be heard with background noises cut out of it. And it's just a simple plug and play product too, which is nice. Out of the box, it's compatible with a lot of stuff. You've Google Meet, FaceTime, Cisco, Google Hangouts, Blue Jeans, GoToMeeting, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, macOS, and of course Windows. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. And we'll start up here. So again, it's a pretty big box, but we've had much bigger packages here, as you know, and we managed to get through. So it looks like you've got this slide off lid, which is pretty cool. That's a nice presentation there. So this is it here now, as you can see. So first of all, we'll have a look and see what is in here, and we'll check this out. And in here we have got our EMEET Meeting Capsule booklet and another booklet here. So you've got a nice braided cable, which is excellent, and there's a decent length in that too, and USB-A, USB-C, and you've got your plug, and you also get, if I can just get my hand in there, you get a nice EMEET remote control, which is excellent. So there's a nice feel to this. It's like a matte finish. Takes 2 batteries. Batteries are included. Pretty good. So it's just like a typical remote control you'll find on a projector. So it's kind of a generic. And you've got your navigation wheel here and all your other options in here, plus and minus, and you've got your voice up on top there, and you've got an LED light there. So that's pretty much it there for the microphone, or for the remote control, should I say. And EMEET branding on it too. So I'm just going to pop that back in there. And here is the main star of the show. So it looks like your typical kind of speaker that you'd have at home from various other companies. I'm not going to say their names in case I say that off. So on the back here, you've got your ports, USB, link, DC12, and you've got a lock as well. You've got buttons here, which are clicky, and you have got some rubber feet on the bottom. And this guy up here is the guy that's going to be doing all the work. it will move around, so you can see there, EMEET AI 360 conference camera, and that's what it looks like there. And you can kind of feel the motor in it when you do move it like so, and that's pretty much it and what it's going to look like. So you've got these buttons here which do click, and it's nice and tactile, and it's a nice rubber feel. So overall, the build material, build quality, this is excellent too. It's nice material, and it's fairly solid as well, and looks really, really nice indeed. And we can't wait to get testing this out and see what we can do. And I'm just wondering if it does need power. It's not running on its own battery. So that's pretty much it for now. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll gladly answer them for you. And I look forward to checking it out and seeing what the capabilities are, as this is kind of the thing people need these days for your collaborations, be it at home, work, or in the office, or whatever the case may be. And you need the right tools to do so, and this certainly looks like a really good contender to put into the market there today, in when you look at what else is available there. So, because this has got the speaker, it's got the AI, it's got this lens here as well. It's all pretty cool stuff. And again, there's just the bottom of it there. So that's it for the moment. Any questions, please drop them below, and I'm glad to answer you. And stay tuned. We'll talk to you next one.